Pooja Bimra.
Hi, I'm Chef Michael.
Hi, I'm Geeta Sridhar.
Today is 5th April 2019 and we are at the onset of Indian summer, and we threw a competition for our kids to use Indian spices, Indian ingredients, and make a super cool Indian summer cooler mocktail.
Using some Indian spices as well, which was the USP of all the drinks.
The Indian Summer Cooler Fest was great.
There were 10 different mocktails that were made.
Bartending is a beautiful profession. It's interesting, it's creative. There's a lot of job opportunities.
I'm a part of the family now.
I think the event went pretty well.
The work that this college is doing is amazing. All the best to all the students over here. Some lovely creative cocktails came out.
And I had a great time at the event. Thank you so much.
Love you all. CEDP, love you.
The ultimate winner, as the drink was called the Street, which is something easily available on Indian streets, is the raw mango.